Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done India map.
Yes. Yes, Surya.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. Surya, show your India map properly. Okay, okay, ma.
Do, ma'am.
Yes, come on. Vikas Rao. Okay, pa. Yes. See, look here. Then we already covered natural disaster. Okay, ma. Tejas.
Ma'am, Surya is showing.
Yes, yes, it's okay. Yes, I've seen already. Natural disaster and also the, yes, Mahima. Okay. See, environment and pollution. So these two chapters we already covered the revision. The rest of the chapter, Shravanti, sit properly. Shravanti, sit properly. Rest of the chapter, transport, communication, and also the birth of UNO. Yes, ma'am. Tomorrow let we go for, tomorrow you have a last period, na? So tomorrow you have class, children. So let me 3 chapters let we revise tomorrow. So until I will share the this academic year, it is the contents and all. You people have to be take down the contents and also which chapter let we go for the translations. Also I will share you people. See, this is the contents. So I will give one chapter introductions and also which are the part you are going to be study. See, look here, children. Don't write. Take screenshot. Take screenshot. See, these are all the contents you are going to be studying this. See, social science is divided into as a three in the division. One is a history, another one is a geography, and another one is a civics. So in this history, you are going to study the different chapters here. I will mention the chapter now. Which are the chapter you are going to be studying this year in particular part of the history?
Ma'am.
Yes, first one.
When, where, and how.
Surya, don't mention. I will read myself. Okay. When, where, and also how. When, where, and how means. See, in this chapter, you are going to be study that is how the rulers they ruled over the country during the period from the 4th century to the from the 4th century BCE to the from the 4th century that is AD in there. Or which are the centuries we are going to be study here. So that is all the timeline is available, and according to the timeline we'll go for the importance of history, significance of dates in history, and also geographical time frame, source of history, and their classification. So this is all the part we are going to be studying in the chapter when, where, and how. Then second one, so that is hunters and the gatherer. Earliest people, how the early people they live their life, and also how the history was came into existence, how what are the inventions or occurred during the period, and all we are going to study in the hunters and gatherers. Farmers and herders. The earliest society, how the society was came into existed in the particular world. So that is also one of the chapter. It's commander in the name of the farmers and herders. And the first cities, how the city was came into existed. So in those period, prehistoric period means the people are living in the it is in caves and all. Later they start living in the huts, and how the particular community or the city was came into existed. So the first cities. Then fifth chapter, Vedic age and also the Chalcolithic settlement. Veda, how the Veda was came into existence, who started the Veda, what is meant by Veda and all. Okay. The early forms of kingdoms. Sixth one, Janapadas and Mahajanapadas. How city start ruling by different king or the queens in there. So that is also one of the part you are going to be study in the early forms of kingdom. Janapadas and Mahajanapadas. Territories. How we are going to be called the territories. So Bangalore, Mysore, and also that is Karnataka state, and also the Indian country. How that is a particular territories is a came into existence by ruled by particular king or the queen in there. So such a chapter we are going to be studying the early forms of kingdom, how the kingdom was a came to existed. Then seventh one, great thinkers and growth of new ideas. Means that is during the period of the it is Mahavira and also the Buddha. How the great thinkers, they are grown in the form of the new ideas in there. Then eighth one, the first emperor, the first empire. How the Mauryans they came into start ruling over the particular country. So that is the first emperor we are going to be identify them. So that is the Mauryans. Who started the Mauryan dynasty? Why they called so? And how they started and all. Though such a chapter we are going to study in the first empire. Then the ninth one, life in the village. How the village people they lived their life during the period and how the town was going to started. Contact and distance, land, how that is a communication was completely came into existence during the period. After that is Guptas and also the post-Guptas period, political development, 11th chapter. 12th chapter, culture and science, legacy of the ancient India. Culture and science, how it is developed during that period also. And geography, the solar system, when we come under geography, solar system and the earth. And the second one, latitude.
Ma'am, I like space and earth.
Okay. See, this is a contents you are going to study in the 6th standard. This is a contents of 6th standard, not what you people are studied, that is bridge course and all, what you are studied in the previous year, 5th standard. This is the contents of the 6th standard. So you have to buy the book in the next, after the test, I will going to start. Today I am giving introduction. With the chapters you are going to be studying the
Ma'am, we have to buy, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Books
Where?
you have to buy it. In the school only it is available. Okay, you have to buy it.
Okay.
Geography.
Ma'am, notebooks we want to buy on our own, no ma'am?
Let me cover the portion, notes and all I will post in the WhatsApp. Need not to be bothered about notes, children. Okay, don't bother about the notes. Is it clear how you people are collected the notes in the assignment? Otherwise, in through the WhatsApp only I will going to be provided. So many other options also is there. I will provide it later on it. Okay. So I will ask the ma'am. So those who are not having textbook children, until I will post it in the WhatsApp, grade 5 or grade 6. And you people are belongs to the grade 6. No, I will post the particular chapter in the grade 6 in the form of PDF. You people are open the particular PDF and then go through the chapter and read and prepare it. In the next class, you are easy to be refer for the particular chapter. Okay, until you buy textbook. The solar system and the earth, the first chapter of geography. Then latitude and longitude and time, planetary motion, rotation and revolution, maps and their essential features. So these are all the parts are there in the geography. So in the civics also is there. 1 minute, I will share that is a civics also for you people. See, these are all the remaining chapters. The 4 realms of earth, the 4 realms of the earth. And the next chapter, land and sea topography, political and physical divisions of India, 7th chapter. 8th chapter, weather and climate of India. Then 9th one, natural vegetation and wildlife of India. Okay, when we come under the civics, so this is all the chapter you are going to study in the geography. Got it now? You people very active in the classes, otherwise very difficult to follow up. So a lot of questions are there. As soon as we have to cover it, and also I will go through the explanations deeply and also clearly and very fastly. You have to be grasp it. Okay. Civics,
Okay.
social and political life. Civics is also one of the part in social science. So we are going to be study our society in the political life, social and political life. Diversity in India. First one, second one, prejudice, discrimination and inequality. Second chapter. Third one is government. Fourth is a democratic government. Yes, ma.
Ma'am, then we should keep 3 classworks.
No, pa. Only 200 pages long book or a 200 pages that is book is enough. Single line book. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
When you completed this one, so I will make it short, ma. I never give a such a lengthy answers. So which one is sufficient for you people? Very useful for the further classes or the higher classes. So such a question answers I will choose and then provide for you people. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So in the civics, first one, diversity in India. Second chapter, prejudice, discrimination and inequality. Third one, government. Fourth one, democratic government. Fifth one, Panchayat Raj. And the sixth one, urban self-government. And the seventh, district administration. And the eighth one, rural and urban livelihood. Rural and urban livelihood. So these are all the chapters you are going to be studying in this academic year. So total number of the chapter when you come to know in the history, 12 chapter, and then the geography, 9 chapter, and in the civics, 8 chapter. Okay. What it now? So this is the contents of the class 6 in there. You people take screenshot and then keep ready. So if you have any previous book with your friends or your any neighbor or any other students, if you have collected before itself, means you should keep for the reference. You keep for the reference, then you are easy to be go for it chapter. When I ma'am was going on doing the chapter, you are easy to be go for it. So today I chosen some easy topic for you people to be go for a introduction. So which chapter ma'am has chosen in here? So when, where, and also the first chapter when, where, and how. In the history, I'm not chosen. Why? Because I need some support for you people. Why? Because 1 minute, wait, ma. I'll go for this in geography. I'll share it. You are easy to understand. Easy chapter. I'll go for it. Need not to be bothered. See the solar system and the Earth. So why? Because why I chosen the geography in the first day?
Right, ma'am.
Already. No, pa. What you are going to write? Nothing. You take screenshot and then keep ready for reference. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This picture you should take screenshot and then you should keep ready for reference. So why I chosen the geography first chapter today? Because you already keep touch with the solar system and also our planet Earth, isn't it? In this chapter, the solar system and the Earth. So the universe, galaxy, stars, and also the solar system you are going to be study here. Okay. So the universe, galaxy, stars, and the solar system. So when you people already studied in the previous classes or in the when you people are in the 4th or a 5th standard, 5th not, I think I hope it is a 4th standard, you already studied this different type of the planets, isn't it? Solar system. In the solar system, there are 8 planets are there: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Okay. In the next class, you should take screenshot and then name the 8 planets and then keep ready. You are easy to be go for it. So let me go for this one. 8
Ma'am, I will
planets.
draw the planets, ma'am.
No problem. You draw and then keep ready. Very useful for you people. A smallest. Yes, you keep ready, ma. Why? Because if I'm
We
asking,
want to draw like this, ma'am.
no. I will share it later on it. How to draw and all.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
See, there are 8 planets in the solar system. So Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. So first one is a Mercury, smallest planet. Smallest planet. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, solar system 9 planets is no there no.
Yes, ma, 9 planets, but the Pluto is completely as a dwarf planet. Is completely lost its power to revolve around the sun. So we are not going to be considered the Pluto in there. Okay. Hardly
Okay.
8 planets. Presently 8 planets in solar system. Mercury, so nearest and also the smallest planet in the solar system. And also the Venus, brightest planet. And the Earth. Earth is a
Ma'am, for Venus, we will call it as a evening star, no, ma'am.
yes, evening and morning star. Why? Because the brightest planet, even in the night also, it's a look like a very bright. Then if you compare to rest of the other planets in there. Got it? Venus planet. And our first one is a Mercury, Venus. Third one is Earth. Earth is our planet. We are going to call it as a blue planet. And the Mars is the red planet. Why? Because the different type of the gases covered by it. So it's a look like a reddish in color. So that's why the Mars is called as a red planet. And Jupiter is the largest planet. See, largest planet. And also the Saturn. Saturn is the ringiest planet. It has a ring in there covered by the particular planet. Yes, Kishore?
Ma'am, why is the ring for only Saturn?
Different type of the gases and the methane is covered by it. Ma. Is it look like a ring?
And rock
Got it now?
also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And rock also.
No, not rocks. Only the different type of this one is the gases covered by it. The particular surface of the Saturn in there, but it is completely covered by in the spherical in the shape, no? So that look like a ring. Okay. So Saturn, we are going to be called it as a ring planet, ringiest planet in the solar system. And so another one is see here it is Uranus. 1 minute. Uranus is also bluish in color. Why? Because it is a far away from the sun. So it's a completely cool. So coldest planet we are going to be considered. So it look like a blue, but that is not a blue planet. Okay. So that is Uranus. And Neptune is a farthest planet in solar system. Got it now? It look like a, see, like a Saturn, but it's covered by different gases, but we are not going to be absorbed the particular gases in there. Got it? It look like a ring also, but it is not clearly covered by this one particular gases and all. We are not going to consider that is as a ring planet in solar system. Only the complete different type of the gases covered by the sun. Yes, ma? Yes? Yes?
Ma'am, you told no, ma'am, Earth is a blue planet and it is covered with 71% of water and 21% of land. What is Jupiter covered, ma'am?
Jupiter, it is not covered by anything else. See, is a moreover, we are going to be absorbed that is more moons in there. Got it now? Do you know satellite and all? So more we are going to be observe it. Okay, one by one I will go for it. Different planets and all. So this all the introductions I given. Is it clear? Got it? Why? Because it is not existed. The similar to the Earth is a Mars. How the particular living organism is sufficient for the sufficient for the particular planet that is Earth in there. So such a similar planet we are going to be observe Mars in there. But there is no any proper gravitation power in the Mars. That's why it is not suit for the living things to live in the particular planet. That is the differences. One difference is strongly we are going to be observe it. Planet
Ma'am?
suitable for the living organisms. So all the facilities are available. Got it now? So it's a completely supports the life for the particular living organism. Yes, ma'am.
And we cannot live in any planet.
Nope. Why? Because see, temperature and also the suitable temperature and water,
Excuse me, ma'am.
gases, air,
Ma'am,
and also these are all the parts we need to live, isn't it? So
and
the,
also we should need, ma'am.
yes. See, you already studied in the last class, no? There are the 4 layers covered by the surfaces of the earth: lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and also the yes, the last sphere utilized by this one. These are all the sphere that is a biosphere, isn't it? Litho means that is rocks and soil is covered by different surface of the earth, utilized by the man in the form of land, mountain, plateau, valley, isn't it? So this role is occurred due to this one as
Excuse me, ma'am.
actions of the. Yes, Sahana. Yes, come on.
Ma'am, but scientists had told that in Mars they had some water and air.
Yes, what I said, ma, the similar to Earth only, but there is no any gravitation power, no. There is no any gravitation power means how you are going to believe it. You are fly like anything, isn't it? No,
Yes, ma'am.
isn't it? If you have such a power to stand in the particular places, you can easy to be erect a life, isn't it? You can easy to
Yes,
build it,
ma'am.
isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, look here, entirely different from other planets. Earth is entirely different from other planets. So we are considered as a unique planet. A single or a unique, entirely different from other planets. Why? Because it is given life for the, it is a particular people are the living organisms in there. Got it? So the moreover, how that is the universe was came into existence, and also the which are the other, that is heavenly or celestial bodies are there. So let me keep touch with that. So I will chart, I will share it to you people, you are easy to understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, universe. We see many shining objects in the sky. So which we are called stars. Shining. We see many shining objects in the sky, which we are called star. Not all of them are stars, isn't it? There are the other objects also together with the stars. So such objects we are going to call it as a heavenly bodies or the celestial bodies. Got it? So which are the other objects?
Call this
See which are the other objects in there. So the other objects, planets, meteoroid, and also the what is see what we are going to be called satellite, asteroid, comet, meteoroid. So these are all the other objects also is revolve around the sun. Rocks. Yes, I will tell you, I will come under. See, along with this one as a particular planet, so these are all the other particular objects also revolve around the sun in there. So such a bodies we are going to be called it as a heavenly bodies as a celestial bodies in there. Got it? See, the big home of a celestial body is called as a universe. A big home of all celestial bodies is called the universe. So many theories that is explained or propagated to explain the origin of the universe, but most we are accepted that is a Big Bang theory. So what is a Big Bang theory? The universe is one of the huge ball of the hot gases. Universe is a completely a huge ball of hot gases and which exploded with the Big Bang. It was exploded with the Big Bang around the 14 billion years ago. 14 billion years ago. All the matter of that ball was made up of the scattered in the various directions and form the stars, planets, asteroid, and galaxies and all. Got it? We have to accept the Big Bang theory. What is a Big Bang theory? According to the geographer, what they will explain about the Big Bang theory? In the Big Bang theory, universe was one of the huge ball of hot gases which exploded with the exploded with the Big Bang around 14 billion years ago. It's completely as exploded. How many years ago? 14 billion years ago. And all the matter that the ball was made up of is it? Yeah. Yes, child. While I'm explaining, you have to be careful. See, we have to follow the Big Bang theory. According to that, the universe was a huge ball of hot gases, and it was exploded. A Big Bang was completely erupted or the formed in the 14 billion years ago. All the matters that is a ball was made up of scattered with a various direction and formed the stars, planets, asteroids, and galaxies in there. Like that is a particular the other objects and also the universe was formed out in there. So let me go for the celestial body. Celestial body are the heavenly body, which are the objects is included in there. So let me go for the first one. See, that is a star. Fine example. It is a star is a sun. Why we considered our star is a sun means that the nearest to the earth is we are going to be observe the star is a sun. So star, sun, galaxy, Milky Way. Which galaxy we are on? In Milky Way galaxy. What is meant by galaxy? A group of stars.
Milky Way
We are
galaxy.
considered galaxy. Yes, our galaxy is a Milky Way galaxy, and our planet is Earth, and the satellite Moon. So we are seeing the satellite is a moon, and asteroid that is a swarm of rock species. Asteroid means rock species. Yes, that is also is revolve around the sun. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, 1 minute. I'll come under Surya. And comet Halley. Halley is a comet. We are going to be called in other name as the Dhumaketu. Comets. Halley is a fine example for the meteoroid and meteors and also meteorites. That is a shooting stars we are going to be called. So this role the different celestial bodies also is revolve around the sun in there. Yes, come on. Galaxy. Yes, Surya. Yes, you are asking anything?
Mama,
Meteors or meteoroid. Shooting star we are going to be called.
How will, ma'am, how will the earthquake occur, ma'am?
Earthquake I already told no. Is any internal force is started in there, so is a causes for the yes, is the vibrations of the earth. That is called earthquake. It is not completely is erupted. That is when the start erupting, so that is called as a volcanic eruption. Volcanoes and all. So it's start vibrating in the places means so that we are considered as an earthquake. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
One example I given for you, no. So if you are taken over food in there, you will start vomiting, isn't it? Why? Is before that is so you'll get the vomiting sensation and all. Why? Because that is completely overloaded your stomach, isn't it? So you can't digest properly. How you people are suffering? The same thing the earth also is a completely is a force is a over force is occurred in the interior of the earth and it causes for the volcano also, and in such places is some vibrations is took over in there. So that we are considered as such a vibration we are considered as an earthquake. Okay, only a few seconds, milliseconds or seconds, so that we are considered as an earthquake. Okay. Yes, Surya.
ma'am, what is meaning of a black hole?
Black hole ma, so that is completely damaged by this one as a see presently it is under the great scientific were investigated that is see earth is covered by the ozone layer, isn't it? Is a deeply
Become black hole now, ma'am, and we can it is very magnetic force.
So I will take one class for the black hole and all. I will show the pictures exactly, but in a textbook it has given for you people as an example. Okay. So according to in the present days, according to the scientists and all, their investigation was completely over about the black hole and all, how it is created, how it is collapsed, the particular stars and all. They are explained. So I will explain it. I will show the exact picture. That is not an exact picture. Simply the picture it has given in your textbook. Okay. I'll show it. Okay. The next class, this is an introduction class for you people. Only I'm giving the introductions. What is meant by galaxy? Galaxy means, so without the picture you cannot understand, children. So this is a night sky. Different type of the stars, how you people are observed. This is a night sky. Celestial bodies. See, these are all the celestial body. Galaxy means a group of stars covered by it. So a system of billion stars along with their planets, satellites. With their planets,
Ma'am,
satellites.
there are infinite stars there, ma'am.
Yes, ma.
There are infinite stars, ma'am.
Infinite stars.
Yes, infinite.
Infinite.
Yes, unlimited.
Yes, infinite. There is no any limit at all for the stars. Yes, see what I'm explaining here. There is no any limit for this one. How the stars and all is occurred, universe was completely as occurred and all. Just I explained, Nama, according to the theory of the Big Bang. And the 14 billion years ago is exploded by this one as a particular hot gases and all. Through this, so this role it is completely as erected stars, planets, asteroid, and also the formations of the galaxies and all. There is no any limit at all in the erections of this one as a particular star or the group of the stars in there. So some particular groups of the star we are considered it as a galaxy. Is that clear? Got it? It has its own light, but planets and all, they do not have their own light. It reflects from the sun. It reflects from the sun. So luminous and the non-luminous bodies, we are already studied in the science, isn't it? Which are the object it has their own light is called as a luminous body, which do not have their own light, it is called as a non-luminous body, isn't it? It reflects from the other object, isn't it? Okay. Galaxy. Let me come under the galaxy. A system of billion stars along with the planet, satellites and all. So that we are going to be called it as a galaxy. Outer space is called as a galaxy in there. So actually galaxy means a group of stars covered by it in the particular places. And it is included planets, satellites and all. So clouds and gases, dust found in between the group of the stars is called nebula. What is meant by nebula? When the particular stars also is covered by the clouds of gases and dust, we are found in between the group of stars in there. So that is called as a nebula. Okay, the solar system is a part of the Milky Way of galaxy. So we are going to be called as a Milky Way as our home galaxy. And the other galaxy is the closest to our galaxy that we are going to be call it as a Andromeda. Andromeda is another one galaxy, is nearest to the Milky Way galaxy. Okay. And it is about 2.5 million light years ago. It's a form in the 2.5 million years ago. It was a formed out in. And also the distance in between that 20.8 thousand quadrillion kilometers. So these are all the introductions about this one as the celestial bodies or the galaxy. So what is meant by stars? A shining objects on the sky are called stars. The shining objects on the sky are called stars. Okay, the huge masses of the burning gases and give off their own heat and light. These celestial bodies have a great mass and extract a pull called as a gravitational force. So the force of the attraction responsible for the formations of the group of stars keep all the celestial bodies in a place. So this is all the part we are going to be observed in the stars in there. So some stars shine with the shady light, with the other seems to be twinkle And because of the light from the stars passes through the various layers of the atmosphere with the varying densities before reaching our eyes. Some light reaches to us directly, while the some changes due to the movements of the layers of the atmosphere. So these are all the changes we are going to be observed in the stars in there. I will share 1 minute. You take screenshot, will come to know that.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
1 minute. Yes, yes, come on, tell me.
Ma'am, ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am. In stars, ma'am, what in some planets are made up of rocks, minerals like that. Some planets are made up of, and what star is made up of, ma'am?
Just I explain, no. See, star is a huge masses of the burning gases. How it is a different type of the gases is covered by the dust particles, and also that is a different type of the gases, no. So it's a look like a, so such a burning gases is look like a shining way. So that's why we are far away from the particular object, isn't it? So for us it look like a twinkling. Got it? What am I explaining? You got it now? How that is a particular star is a twinkle in there. So the star is completely as a huge mass of the burning gases. Got it now? And also
Yes,
it
ma'am.
gives us.
Heat, no.
Yes, pa?
It can be heat, no, ma'am.
Yes, it gives us heat and light for us. No, fine example, take out the sun. Sun is also is a huge, completely covered by the gas, isn't it? Burning gases in there. So we are collected from this one as the sun and heat and light, isn't it? Is the nearest to the our planet, that is the sun only. That is also one of the star we are going to be observed. Got it?
Yes.
We are going to be study
Yes.
that is even the star also is complete their one rotation or one revolution around the particular object. So such a year we are going to be called as a cosmic year. In the next class, I will show the cosmic year, how it is other objects also is revolve around it. And also complete that is a billion years and all. Okay, you have to keep light touch about this one. Need not to be go for deep. If you go for deep means whole particular it is a solar system you have to study in there. Only you have to keep touch. What is a star? So the tiny shining objects in the sky, it is called as a star. The huge masses of the burning gases that give off their own heat and light. So that we are considered as a completely as a stars in there. So these celestial bodies have great mass and extract a pull called extract, that is how it is a gravitation power extract that is existed in the particular object in there, isn't it? Earth, it has its own gravitation power. Then only we are easy to live in the particular planet. Otherwise, we are flying like anything. If you move towards to the any other planets and all, we are not able to stay at all. Why? Because there is no any such a power to stay in there, isn't it? Stand in the particular object in there, isn't it? So, such a gravitation power we are going to be observed it in there. Even the more forces we are going to be observed in the stars also. So such a star is available for the nearest to the our planet, that is the sun.
Ma'am,
See, yes,
ma'am, when from sky the star will come down now, ma'am, for Earth.
Hmm.
Ma'am, it will that is rock, piece or a real star, ma'am?
Rock piece.
That is not a star. It is not moving from place to place. Particular object is revolve around the sun. No, you are going to be observed that is other objects. Okay, rock particles. What we are going to be called, that is asteroid, meteoroid. Meteoroid. Actually, that is a shining object. Whatever you are observing, so that is a meteoroid only. Okay. So
Ma'am, it's a
shining
shooting star, no, ma'am.
stars we are going to be called. Okay. That is not a star.
Vishnu, ma'am, when a star will come down, ma'am, that wish will real, ma'am.
Which one? First star it's falling in there, isn't
Yes.
it? That is not an. That is
And-
not a star, pan. So that is a meteoroid we are going to be called. Okay.
It's a shooting star, no, ma'am.
We are going to be call it as a shooting stars. It's a fall. When it is a completely loses its power, means it's completely is a fall down in there. Without, oh, see that star is a falling there. That is not a star. It is a meteoroid. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
in other name, we are going to be call it as a shooting stars. That is also revolve around the sun. Okay. So inner planets and also outer planet we are going to be called. Inner planet means which one we are called as inner planet? Nearest to the sun. Then which are the planets are is a far away from the sun, that is called as a outer planet. In between that, after the Mars, Mercury, Venus, and Mars. After the Mars, we are found that is asteroid, meteoroid and all. I will show the picture in the next class. Let me finish the Bridge-Course test. I will show everything picture. I will collect and then show for you people. You are easy to understand how the asteroid and meteoroid and all it is also is revolve around the sun. After the Mars, you are found a big rocks also is completely has a revolve around the sun. So how it is revolve around the sun? Because of the sun, it has its own gravitational power. With this force, is attract that is such objects also is start moving around the that is a particular object in there. So how it is possible it is happening? I will show it. Yes. So let me go for this one. Say, so some stars shine with the steady light while the other seems to be twinkle, because it is stars passes through the various layers atmosphere with the varying density of before the reaching of this one ice. So that is not completely as is moving from one object to the other object. You are going to observe it, but it is not fall down in there. Those who are the particular object is a fall in there. So that is all meteoroid, not an star. Okay. Constellation. A group of stars form a certain imaginary shape is called constellation. As like a Leo and the Pole Star and the Orion, a big Dipper. See, are you all observed that is see it is exactly what is there or not? Great Bear.
Great Bear. Great Bear.
Star. See, I mean, it look like a bear, but it's a group of star is completely covered by it. How it
Yes.
is shown the different shape in there. So this small group of the star, we are going to call it as a constellation. Leo. Leo means that is a lion in the shape of lion. How you people are going to be studying the particular astrology and all, Rashis and all, no, Mesha, Rishabha, Mithuna and all. So it is a different type of this one as a star erected by the different type of the stars in there. So I'll show the constellation how it is a Leo, and also the different type of this one as a other group of the stars are formed in there. A group of star that forms certain imaginary shape is called constellation. A group of star means not an big, a small group of stars form a certain imaginary shape is called constellation. Early Greeks as well as the Indian astronomer. What is meant by astronomer? One who is a study about the astronomy, about the planets, and also the, I mean, exactly you come under study about the heavenly bodies. Okay. So according to that as an Indian astronomer, so the group of stars is a resembled and the mythological characteristics, gave them a names of animals, and also the god like a Orion, hunter god, the Urus, and the major are the Great Bear and the Big Dipper. It forms a part of the Euro Major. So this role that is a completely, so is a different shape. It is occupies the group of the star in there. That's why the Indian astronomer they given the name of the animals or the gods in there. What it 7 stars is a completely as a Sapta Rishis or 7 saints. 7 stars we are going to be considered it as a Sapta Rishis or the 7 saints in the Sanskrit. It forms the shape of this one as a pluff or with the bite of the imagination. So join the two bottom most of the star is like a pointer. Pointer means pole star. So in IOU has identified the 88 such constellations are there, and which 48 is known as the ancient Greeks, and rest of it as astronomy. So
Ma'am, time.
constellation. So a group of a small group of the stars, we are
Ma'am,
going to be
time.
called as a constellation. Okay. Okay, you with the pictures or the video? Yes, I know, Masuria. I know. I will take attendance now. See, with the video, the facilities I will see, ma. If I go for the video only, you can easily to see that. I will try. 1 minute. I will take screenshot, children. Ashul Bhagyashree
Jivan.
Dhyani, Arshita, Jeevan, 1 minute. Kishore, Likit, Mahima Chaudhary, Surya, and Prithvi, MR, SK, and Revant, Rohit, Rupashri, Shavanti. Wait a minute, children. Don't change. Smriti, Sneha, Spurti, Tejas, Vijeta, Vikas, Yashas, and Yashwant. Okay. Yes, children. More about this one as a plant. Let's study.
Ma'am, Bhagyashree.
Rohit. Ma'am,
And
Rohit.
Bhagyashree.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Rohit also.
Ma'am, Bindu.
Ma'am, Bhagyashree.
Yes,
Ma'am, Rohit.
screenshot. Yes, Bindu, Bhavana, Bhagyashree, Rohit, and all. I already taken screenshot. children. Yes, yes, Ashul in the beginning only. Okay. Yes, I already seen Darshini. Yes, let me end the class, children. Okay.
Bye,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.